This is the OnePlus 10 Pro, and OnePlus is about to break the barriers once again. So yeah, the OnePlus 9 series I would say was a fantastic piece of tech, and now its successor, which is the OnePlus 10 Pro, is gonna be amazing and like really powerful. This is like they have done some massive changes inside and as well as outside. So yes, here it is, the OnePlus 10 Pro in different color options. OnePlus is gonna use subtle curve display from Samsung, and best part is these devices design are made out of ceramic. So entire glare tough matte finish, two exciting colors, volcanic black and emerald forest. This device used a 6.7-inch screen size, and that display got max out specifications. So there is 2K resolution, E5 AMOLED panel and 2nd gen LTPO high refresh rate. So from 10Hz to 120Hz, it's gonna save battery and give amazing smooth experience. See, in terms of design language, this device got subtle curve edges and there's a small hole punch selfie shoot on top left corner. The official specifications of this device is now out. So inside we have Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Silicon with Adreno 730 GPU, which is like really powerful, and I guess OnePlus optimization is gonna show true colors in there. Yeah, of course they'll be also using heat pipe for heat dissipation cause this CPU heats a lot. So now the highlight of this show, OnePlus is using a stylish camera design which may look hideous to some, but I think it looks different, and different is better. This device uses a 50 megapixel main sensor which I guess can take some awesome images. Here not to mention they have joined hands with Hasselblad in terms of hardware, so no shocker, we'll see some huge changes in there. Some rumors are OnePlus is using Sony IMX789, Samsung JN1 and a telephoto lens. The selfie shooter is also getting a 32 megapixel image sensor. Now there is 80 watts of fast charging and 5000 mAh massive battery size. That is a powerhouse for sure. This thing do supports 50 watts of wireless charging, fast storage and max out RAM, and of course Oxygen OS 12 out of the box. Here is a live video showcasing OnePlus 10 Pro design in both colors, and I'll try to get my hands on these devices really soon, so make sure to subscribe. So yes, all in all an amazing package. OnePlus plans to launch this device on 11th Gen. So again a masterpiece for sure. A sci-fi design, 8 Gen 1 powerful CPU, 5000 mAh massive battery and 80 watts of fast charging, and I'm expecting a huge camera improvement in there. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.